Hello dear students, welcome back to our channel. Today we will see 4th unit financing decisions under fundamentals of financial management. Under that we have two topics, weighted average cost of capital, leverage ratios. From these two topics you may get problem in the final exam. So leverage ratios already I uploaded in our channel, so that is given in the description box. Okay, and weighted average cost of capital today we are discussing. Okay, only problematic part we are discussing now. Okay, so how to calculate weighted average cost of capital? Here weighted average cost of capital should be shown like this, KW. Okay, so here KW is equals to summation of XW divided by summation of W. Summation means total of XW divided by total of W. So here KW already we know, weighted average cost of capital. Okay, here X is equals to cost of specific source of finance. W is equals to weight. That is the proportion of specific source of finance. Okay, so if you apply this formula, you'll get weighted average cost of capital. It's very easy. So simple to calculate and simple to understand. Let's see one question. Here we have one example. The following is the capital structure and the firm's expected after tax component cost of the various sources of finance. Okay, here we have various sources of finance details are given, as well as here given amount and expected after tax cost. Okay, so these three details are given. So what we should calculate here? Calculate the weighted average cost of capital. So weighted average cost of capital you need to find out here. So what we should calculate here? KW. Okay, so what is the formula of KW? Summation of XW divided by summation of W. Already we know. Yes. Let's start our solution. So in our solution, this is the calculation process. Okay, calculation of weighted average cost. In that, already we have source of finance, amount and after tax cost. These three columns as it is you need to copy in the solution also. Okay, so after that, so what we should calculate? Weighted average cost of capital. Yes, so what is the formula? KW is equals to summation of XW divided by summation of W. So I'm writing here KW is equals to summation of XW divided by summation of W. Yes, so this is the formula to calculate weighted average cost of capital. So if you want to calculate this, you require W values, because we require total of W. Summation of W is nothing but total of W. So here one more column we required, W column, for the calculation of summation of W. If you know this column, the total should be called as summation of W. Okay, then here we need summation of XW. X values are given in the problem itself. After tax cost is X values. Okay, and W, this one you need to find out. After calculation of W values, those W values are multiplied with X values, you will get XW values. So that you require summation of XW. Summation means total. If you want to take a total of XW, you require individual details of XW. So that we require one more column, that is XW. Okay, so if you know this column, the total should be called as summation of XW. Okay, so here we need to find out these columns. How to calculate W values? It is purely depends on total of all the sources. So what is the total here? 6,50,000 plus 2,50,000 plus 1,50,000 plus 4,50,000. So what is the total? 15 lakhs. Okay, so this 15 lakhs we should take 100%, that is 100. Okay, total should be called as 100%. Okay, so by using this 100% value, you can calculate each and every source weight. Okay, so how to calculate? Let's see. For 100%, we are taking 15 lakhs. Yes, so that for 15 lakhs, that is 100%. Then what about 6,50,000? Cross multiplication. 6,50,000 into 100 divided by 15 lakhs. So what is the value here? 6,50,000 into 100 divided by 15 lakhs. 43.33. So what is this? Weight of equity share capital. So 43.33. Okay. So likewise, you need to find out for every source of fund. See, just replace the source of fund. Instead of 6,50,000, just apply 2,50,000 for that retained earnings weight. Likewise, preference share capital also 1,50,000 into 100 divided by 15 lakhs. Next, 4,50,000 into 100 divided by 15 lakhs. Okay, so see here, I'm taking retained earnings total 2,50,000 into 100 divided by 15 lakhs. 16.66. Okay, next 1,50,000 preference share capital into 100 divided by 15 lakhs. 10. Next 4,50,000 into 100 divided by 15 lakhs. 30. So if you take this total, you'll get 100. Let's see. 30 plus 10 plus 16.66 plus 43.33. So 99.99 means that is 100 only. Okay. Then after calculating W values, you require XW column. How to calculate this? X is multiplied with W. You will get this column. 20 into 43.33. 866.6. Okay. Next 20 into 16.66. 333.2. 15 into 10. 150. Okay. 30 into 12. 360. Okay. After calculating XW values, just take the total. You will get summation of XW. So 1709.8. We can take 1710. Okay, round figure. So after calculation of summation of XW, apply these two values in the formula. So what is that formula? KW is equals to summation of XW divided by summation of W. So those values we need to apply here. 1710. That is summation of XW. Divided by summation of W is 100. 1710 divided by 100. So this is a 17.1 percentage. So this is the calculation process for weighted average cost of capital. Most of the times it is repeated in the final exam. So do practice. If you like my video, share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.